Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oh boy, this is one of the greatest magic trick you will ever see.
Udah làm cho lọ Johan.
Pali với người hỏi thì
Có mà. Anh tiền. Quá mà.
ai gì của vân ngày cái cổ ra lại một cây kia.
I am not sure how the dog felt sleep on that door. When the coach said eyes on the ball, he took it very seriously.
Hey guys, Flavor God has coffee now. Sign up on our website to be the first to try.
This clip reminds me of things that I used to do with my girlfriend.
No, that won't go in your cheek. Come here. No, no. Pass me the pen.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
This bird is trained to steal money from the people walking on the street. I am not sure what kind of exercise these two ladies are trying to do. That's the end of the video guys. Thanks for watching.